Racial unity is a gospel issue because Jesus died for anyone who would believe. He did not discriminate against who he died on the cross for. Every tribe, tongue, and nation, anyone who would believe. And then he tells his disciples, go and make disciples of what? All nations, and teaching them to obey. And then we see in Revelation that every tribe, tongue, and nation will be worshiping together. It is so clear in the scripture from Genesis that God created people made in his image to Revelation that we will be worshiping together, that God intended all tribes, tongue, and nation to be unified for his glory and to be saved. And so it is clearly such a gospel issue. But if we look to Ephesians 2, we see even more that the veil of hostility has been broken down in the body of Jesus Christ. There is one new man. The hostility has been broken. So God intends for us to be unified, to be together, one new man, the Christian man. This is a gospel. This is what the gospel has done for us. It's the reality that has been bought by Jesus Christ. Apathy is the greatest threat to racial unity, just not caring. God cares about these issues, and we can see it all throughout Scripture. God has created a people made in his image, and they are valuable to him. So we need to resist apathy. Martin Luther King Jr. was consistent. He was consistent about being nonviolent, and he was consistent on love. That to me has influenced me. Be on message, be consistent, trust the Lord, and walk in faith. His bravery and consistency has influenced my life. I find myself leaning mostly on God's faithfulness, that God is faithful. He will do what he says he's going to do. We can trust him. I can trust him. So I lean and press into the faithfulness of God. My hope for the next 50 years rests solely and completely in the gospel. It is our only hope. Jesus is our only hope. We already know the end. We know that every tribe, tongue, and nation will be worshiping together. God will finish what he began. That's his promise to us. And so we can have hope that God can do that work even today.